So in this trunk, it was just done on a budget, and it's not done correctly, but once we clean it up, it'll be good enough for us. But you can go to the website, you can see what we have. It's ever changing. They're always developing new product, it seems like, for the trunks of these automobiles. But over here on the passenger side, we're gonna cut it out, and it needs to be a spare tire. It's gotta have one of those. So we're gonna get the correct jack base, and put in the jacking instructions, which belong right here. And it needs some trunk bumpers, and I could go on and on and on what this car needs. We're always finding something that we need to do, but I'll tell you, once it's done, I'm gonna have one of the finest 64 Eldorados that I won't be worried about. It's mechanically correct, and I can just drive it wherever I want.